There are few things better than seeing your company name and logo on display in public. This is why Signature gives you the opportunity to display your custom branding on all messages sent from your account. From your dashboard, navigate to the lower left and click on your profile icon in the navigation bar. This will open your profile menu. From here, click Settings. Then scroll up to Branding in the Settings sidebar and click there. You'll immediately be taken to your branding page. First, enter the name of your company. This name will appear in the From field of any signature request email messages sent to your signers, as well as any email notifications. Your signers will know that the document is coming from your business when they see your company's name attached to the email. In our example here, we have entered the company name, the Signature Team. When a document is sent from the account, the signature request email will show the Signature Team in the From field. After you'd enter your company name, it's time to upload your logo file from your computer. Click on the word Browse to select a file, or drag and drop files onto the overlay from a folder on your computer. Once uploaded, the image will appear in the Upload field. Moving your mouse over the uploaded image will reveal a button that allows you to remove the file you just uploaded. Only one file can be used for a custom branding logo. In our example, we have uploaded the Signature logo. This logo will appear in the signature request email that signers will receive. When you are finished editing your branding settings in this step, it's time to save your custom branding. Navigate to the upper right and click the Save button to save your branding. And that's it. Custom branding is just one of the many exciting features with Signature.